Good morning from Miami. Of course, I literally have 4 minutes on this SD card. We are here today with Ruffles, Fast X, and Universal Pictures, and we are basically on the road to Fast X before the premiere, the movie premiere in Rome. But right now, me and my cousin Rita have to go get some coffee before we start the whole day. So we're literally walking in between all this traffic and like freeway ramps, whatever's going on.
We need the coffee.
We need the coffee to start the day. We need to talk while I straighten my hair. How do I say this? I'm back from Miami. I am back from Miami and I did not vlog only because I have a really good reason. Allow me to explain what we did with Ruffles, Fast X, Universal during F1 Miami week. Am I recording before I start blabbing my mouth noise in? So Grant is on his way because we're about to film another video and I don't have a video for Miami, and Grant's like, hey, did you record? Did you vlog? I'm like, yeah. But no, this was my plan all along. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Basically, guys, I have all these short clips, so I'm going to be combining it in this video as I'm talking right now. This whole thing is called Road to Fast X, hashtag Road to Fast X, and the destination is Rome, Italy. We have all of these different destinations. My first destination was Los Angeles, California. I stopped by in Dennis's garage. We got to see a bunch of the Fast 10 cars and what he built. We talked about how he built them, challenges, this and that. I got to interview him, so it was really cool. After that, we stopped in Miami. And in Miami, which was literally this past weekend, it was F1 weekend, and so I was keeping up. But we were very busy with Ruffles because we were stopping by everywhere in Miami, just taking pictures with Ruffles, making videos and content with the Ruffles chips. And before I keep going more into depth, Ruffles has this Fast 10 livery, if you want to call it, on the Ruffles package. Those specific Ruffles give you a chance to actually win a car and weekly prizes, so it's really cool. All you have to do is enter the pack code on their website. I'll have the website here if you guys want, but keep an eye out on all your local stores for the Fast X Ruffles packaging, so you guys can possibly win a 2023 Dodge Charger RT. We did stop by at the NBC studio area, and that is where Michelle Rodriguez and Vin Diesel were also there, but we kind of got there a little earlier than them. So we got to shoot our stuff first before they got in, and we were shooting with Ruffles, of course. The cars that were on the Ruffles package were actually there as well, so it's pretty cool. So there was this free event in Miami during F1 week called Racing Fan Fest, and it's basically just like a F1 kind of free party for everyone. Obviously food, there was concerts, Maria showed up, like it was super cool. But Fast X had their own little tent, and you could literally create your own Fast and Furious movie trailer. And they literally, it wasn't just like, oh, okay, cool, you're gonna step behind this ring light and pose. No, Universal had a whole production set up for everyone. It was free for literally anyone that could walk in. And all they did was they filmed the trailer with you, and you were in a car, you're getting ready to like race in the trailer. And they airdropped the video to your phone and you got to see it. I'll put a clip of mine right here. It was so cool. The Universal team, like, I've never seen an activation that good. The Fast 10 trailer was also playing in the back of the stage while Maria was performing. Let's get to the reason why I couldn't be vlogging during that time. During the NBC studio, that was quickly in and out, and like there was so much stuff. Obviously we couldn't touch the props because everything was set up for Michelle and Vin Diesel, and so we were being very careful. But also like we had to shoot our stuff. We had a good amount of time to shoot our stuff, but like obviously I was focusing for like TikTok and Reels and all my photos because that is why I was there. During the Ruffles pit stops, it was super quick pit stops because we were trying to obviously beat the daylight and of course the sunset because we had a specific destination we wanted to shoot with the sunset. I had like bags of Ruffles. I had like 5 bags of Ruffles in my hand. I had my phone in my hand. I had a couple other things in my hand, so I didn't have another hand for a camera. That's why I also wish I brought my G7X, my smaller camera, because I probably just would have been able to vlog with that. But now you guys are seeing the clips right now, so it's all good. Today we're gonna be filming a exhaust video for his Nissan Z. And oh my gosh, guys, I haven't built a car in a minute. Like, I miss working on cars, and currently my garage is so bad. Am I still recording? Yeah. My garage is so bad right now. As you guys know, I did buy my Nissan 350Z back, the old one, the very first one I ever bought. I bought it back, and right now it's literally in the middle of my garage, and all of my furniture and all of my stuff is surrounding it because my house was currently being painted by Interior Quality Painting. They did such an amazing job. I told them to not paint the bathrooms because I'm gonna be remodeling it. So I just told them to paint the rooms and the living room and the kitchen, and they painted the kitchen cabinets white, and it looks so much better now. What's going on, man? Email. So since my 350Z is literally in the middle of the garage, I can't work on it. My garage is filled, so I have nowhere to work unless I want to go to Performance Lab Detroit, which I probably might do because I am looking for another project car right now. It's been a car I've been wanting for quite some time. I just need to find a good budget-friendly one. But yeah, I guess that's about it, guys. I literally have 2 minutes left to film on this SD card. But of course, like, keep in touch on the other social media platforms if you want to see what's going on in real time. This is kind of just like the behind the scenes. Like, now I get to explain everything you saw on my stories and stuff. I'm probably just going to keep rambling until the SD card says it's full. But I love you guys so much. And thank you for listening to me and hanging out with me. This is literally what I'm talking about. I just finished my hair and Grant just pulled up. Grant just pulled up. That's the end of my vlog and the start of his.
Here you go.
What's that? Oh my god! I really wanted one. Thank you. Bye now.
Bye now.